it every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome to my channel if you've never watched one of my videos. I've been getting a lot of questions about my makeup routine and what products I use, how I do my makeup for photo shoots, pictures, etc. So I thought I would give y'all kind of like a little fall theme makeup look, makeup tutorial. I am doing this in like a voiceover style, so this is the last time you'll hear me like talking because I cannot multitask, like that is so hard. I really hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Comment down below any type of video ideas you'll want me to do, whether it's fitness, beauty, life vlogs, like whatever y'all want to see from me, please let me know. Any feedback is so appreciated. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching this video. And without any further ado, spoken like a true YouTuber, let's get into this beat. Let's get into this face, baby. Okay? Okay. Peace. I'm starting off with a bare face. This is after I already did my skincare, and I'm using the e.l.f. Hydro Grip Primer. I like this one because it's pretty cheap and it makes my face just more smooth for makeup. And then I'm taking the Wet n Wild brow pencil and just filling in my brows. I already have none to begin with, so I can really just do whatever, thin, thick, it doesn't matter. But I always clean it up with my fingers or a Q-tip after. It also helps to use a spoolie brush to brush out the front and just kind of make it less concentrated since it is literally black eyeliner. And then I'm using this Morphe brush. I got this in a brush set like years ago and I've never let it go. They last so long and they don't shed. I love Morphe brushes. And I'm just using some Fenty concealer to clean up my brows. And always remember to go in the middle too. I used to forget to do that step, and then in every picture I would look like the Hollister sign. It was really bad, y'all. I don't wear foundation. I use a combination of the Halo Glow and the Fenty concealer. So I'll just do concealer around my eyes, around my nose, my mouth, and my chin, and a little bit of the forehead too. And then after that, I will end up going in with the e.l.f. Halo Glow and just putting kind of some dots in the around areas, and then I'll show y'all how I blend it out. So I kind of just lightly pat around. I don't use too much of the e.l.f. Halo Glow because I don't want a foundation look. I just kind of want a nice pretty glow. And then I eventually work my way to the concealer and I just blend it in to my skin. It's not super bright compared to like some girls that do like a UK baddie under eye. I kind of like my first base to just be coverage, not brightening. Then I go in with this Laura Mercier powder, and again, it's just kind of base colors, and I set my concealer. Set around the mouth, around the eyes, just everywhere. And then I'll use a setting spray to kind of just lock it in. I use the Milani Dewy one. I let that dry a little bit, and then I go in with my second powder, and this is the brightening powder. So for that, I use the Huda Beauty one, and also all the shades that I use will be in the description box. But I just go and really pat that underneath my under eye. I make sure to like look up and get any of those creases because I hate a creasing under eye. So this really just brightens it up. And honestly, I feel like a literal Barbie doll whenever I put this on. And you have to know how to use it correctly or it will come out ashy. I feel like the first 2 times that I used it, it was a little bit ashy. But now I definitely know how to work with the product. It's definitely one that you blend in. You don't just place it right on top. And then I'm going in with the Cheeks Out bronzer from Fenty Beauty. It's the cream chocolate bronzer. And it is so good. And then I top it off with the Juvia's Place bronzer in dark. I would say that the Fenty is more of a contour and the Juvia is more of a bronzer. And then I'm topping off my cheeks with NARS Savage. And this is my favorite blush. I love NARS. I feel like I'm saying I love every single makeup product, but I really do mean it, you guys. Like, this is my makeup routine through and through. There's a reason why this video is so short. It's because I know this routine. Like, I know it like the back of my hand, and it works. It eats every time, actually. So for my blush placement, I do my cheeks, And then my nose and my nose bridge, I feel like it looks more cutesy and girly when you put it on your nose. And the brush that I'm using is also from Real Techniques. Then I'm doing another setting spray, which is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Spray and Set. This one is actually my favorite product of all time, not even trying to be dramatic, you guys. It is so good, but they don't have it at H-E-B anymore. Like, I haven't been able to find it, so I think I have to order it next on Amazon or something because I don't know where it is. Then I'm using the Essence Lash Princess. The green one specifically is goated. Look at the difference between my lashes with mascara and no mascara. Like, that is crazy. And then earlier I also did my freckles with the Wet n Wild eyeliner in brown. Not black, but brown. It makes a huge difference, and I think they're just really cute little additions to your makeup. And then I'm cleaning off my lips from any like face makeup, and I'm using the Q-tip to do it. And I always clean off my lips before putting on my lip combo. But now I'm just using the Morphe 350 to kind of blend out my lid a little more. I don't like when it looks a little creasy. And then going in with the black liner again from my eyebrows. Yes, it is multi-purpose. I love that liner, and it's only 99 cents. And then I'm taking this NYX liner and I'm going over my lips again and blending it out with a Real Techniques eyeshadow brush, I believe. And then this lip oil from the beauty supply store, it's just clear, and I just top it off, and it's literally so cute. Like, that's it. And then I'm just doing touch-ups again, and that is my full makeup tutorial, y'all. It's very simple, very cute, affordable too, and that is all for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys, and I will talk to you later.